The city of Kitakyushu, 1,000 kilometers west of Tokyo, on the northernmost tip of Kyushu Island in southern Japan. This metropolis, home to over 1 million, is now a prosperous industrial center with a thriving business community. Just 10 years ago, things were very different. Kitakyushu's industrial history dates back to the early 20th century. Giant ironworks were constructed and a new industry was born. Nearby coal fields fueled the industry's growth, eventually supporting a population of over 1 million. In the 1950s, a decline in shipbuilding and construction and low-cost iron and steel from overseas pushed Kitakyushu into recession. Many left to find work elsewhere, but those who stayed showed determination to turn things around. These citizens began looking for new ways to develop their local industries and create a variety of new products. We must solve our problems by ourselves. This is our home. We don't want to live anywhere else. Some children also had suggestions on how their hometown could be improved. And some civic leaders lent an ear. The first big step started with the city government. 5 neighboring towns merged, making it possible for the local government to administer over a large area. There was no time to waste. Something had to be done at once. The city needed a shot in the arm to get it going again. There is no turning back, only moving forward. The local government started by renovating the central part of the city. The administration led the way in a large-scale revamping of the terminal station, where major transportation routes come together. Local businesses flourished with a huge flow of daily commuters in the center of the city. New shopping arcades and restaurants create a colorful atmosphere which promotes continued development. Kitakyushu is hot with new energy. A network of expressways throughout Kitakyushu await the future growth of local industry. Kitakyushu's business foundation encouraged new industries. They are producing components for electronic maps, assembly line robots, computer chips, and other industries at the cutting edge of global technologies. This amusement park used to be home to a huge ironwork mill. Technicians and salesmen have found new employment here since the mill closed down. We haven't had a single accident here since we opened. That's because we're making good use of our iron manufacturing experience. This ironworks technician can use his expertise for amusement park safety inspections. The pollution of the past is now gone. Kitakyushu's proud heritage is behind the ongoing conservation movement, while development of new industries continues. The Kitakyushu International Techno-Cooperative Association, known as KITA, is spearheading the movement. New technologies avoid discharging harmful wastewater by producing iron without the use of cooling water. Liquid natural gas is being used as fuel instead of oil or coal to prevent the creation of harmful gases. Over the past 15 years, KITA has accepted trainees from 83 countries, teaching them technologies related to the environment. An international airport and container terminal are scheduled for completion within the next 7 or 8 years. Kitakyushu now is a modern city whose new face combines growing high-tech industry with environmental awareness. Kitakyushu claims that it is now striving to contribute to the international community through its environmental technologies designed to combat pollution.